Hi everyone, it's Ms. Sheffer and welcome to this first lesson on using the Google Slides app. So we are going to get started in this first lesson on how to use a Google Slide template. So you'll begin by tapping on the slides icon. On my screen, you can see it is right in between Kahoot and the Google Meet app. It's in the third row. It looks like a yellow rectangle with a smaller white rectangle inside. So I'm going to begin by tapping on the Google Slides app to open it. Now, what you see here are all of the different presentations that I have in my Google Slides app. If this is the first time you're using Google Slides, you might not see anything inside here in this sort of dashboard look, if you will. So to get started in this very first lesson, to create a new presentation, you're going to tap on the plus sign that is in the bottom right-hand corner. It has that Google rainbow colored logo on it. And when we tap on it, you're going to see two options. The top option says Choose Template, and underneath it says New Presentation, and it has a pencil icon. What I'd like to show you are the differences between the two. So we're going to start by tapping on Choose Template. Now, templates are pre-designed backgrounds in Google Slides that have placeholders for you to add text, images, bullets, tables, so on and so forth. And you can scroll through and see how these templates are categorized. So you'll see there's a category for personal, there are work templates, and education is the top. Now, any of these can be chosen by you for any project that you're doing, for any subject area, whatever grade that you're in, and you can completely customize this template. So even though it might say book report, you could choose that template and you can change the different images that are in that template to make them custom to whatever your project is all about. It could be a social studies project, it could be a science project. You're not limited to only doing a book report. So what I want to show you is, let's just say we choose book report. So I'm going to tap on that second template there that says book report. It's going to load and it's going to open. And you'll see this template is a blue color, and you can see each slide gives you suggestions on what to put on that slide, but you can, again, totally customize this. What I want to show you, though, is that there are some hidden templates that aren't visible from that previous screen. So what I mean by that is, in the top right-hand corner, next to the chat icon, you're going to see a dot, dot, dot. When you tap on that dot, 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 you're going to see a submenu appear. It says the title of the template, which is book report, and then it says Q&A history. So that is if there were some questions and answers being asked in this presentation. But next you're going to see change theme. It's the second option down. So when I tap on change theme, all of a sudden we see many more different templates available to us. So you're not limited to what you saw on that very first screen. You can go through and say, wow, I really like this pop template, for example, and it's going to change. And you can pick this one if you like it, or you can go back to those three dots and you can continue to explore the various themes that are available to you. And it's going to change that theme and apply the color scheme of that particular theme. I'll show you one more time. When we tap the dot, 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 we could say, what does momentum look like? And it's going to apply that theme and those colors. So for this first lesson, I'd like you to take some time to explore the themes in the various templates. And if you tap that back button, I'm going to show you one more time. You hit the plus sign, choose template, and you could look at science project, for example. You'll see the default, which means automatic. The automatic color scheme here is turquoise and black. and you can look at what this template looks like to see if it meets your needs. But again, we tap the dot, 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 change theme, and explore. So that's exactly what I'd like you to do for this first lesson in Google Slides, is to explore the various themes. And in the next lesson, we're going to look at the second option, which is just to choose a new presentation.